Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another episode brought to you by Dusty Road Adventures. On this particular episode, we are going southeast of Melbourne in the Gippsland region to an area called Grand Ridge Road. It's 130 kilometres east of Melbourne, and Grand Ridge Road's 132 kilometres of winding roads through country farmlands and forest areas. Sit back and enjoy. As you can see in the morning sunrise, these hills are absolutely gorgeous. Staying on this road is hard enough with these absolutely amazing views, but they've just gone and laid fresh dirt down early that morning. So as you can see, it's a little bit tricky with also the sun glare in your eyes. As I approached this farm, I couldn't help notice how awesome it would be to live around here. Not much traffic, not very many neighbours, and just peace and quiet. Just bliss. I finally get a nice view looking south over towards the ocean over a small village called Welshpool, and it's bitterly cold. Melbourne North is the only town along the Grand Ridge Road, and the first thing you notice when you come into this town is the aroma from the coffee shops and the bakeries. But I didn't know how long I would be on this trip, so I just kept going. One of the best things about going through small towns like this is you know it's barely changed in 50 years, so you know what your parents and grandparents would have seen when they were much younger.
So as you can see on the dirt, and just making our way through the forestry section. So just taking it a bit easy because there's been very large potholes because there's a lot of logging trucks that go on this road. So just taking it a bit easy. And also too, some of the dam patches is like icy clay. So I've had a couple of little slips, nothing major. Just keep an eye out for these big potholes. So I'm beginning to reach the end of the forestry section because we're now coming up to another cow paddock and some homes. So that means we're getting close to back to suburbia. Oh, they're not cows, they're llamas. Stupid me. Speak of the devils, I'm stuck behind a logging truck right now. Look at that. So I'm still on Grand Ridge Road, still going through the forestry section, still following log trucks. So I've been in a dirt section now for about 30 kilometres, getting a little bit icky. So when I say that, I mean by mud, water, and it's quite slippery. So, but overall, still really good. So still going through the forest section, as you can see. But yeah, it's still on Grand Ridge Road, can you believe it? It actually at times feels like it's a bit of a track more than a road. There was a section I just went through, I didn't film, it was really rough. And I'm thinking, oh, if you get a tourist that likes to follow this route and they're in a two-wheel drive vehicle, it's like, yeah, good luck. But this section's not too bad, a bit slick though.
Looking northwards, I finally get a nice view overlooking Mount Baw Baw, and a little bit beyond that you've got the Great Dividing Range, goes all the way up through central Queensland. Time to enjoy the last nice view before I start making my way home.